Bonafide Hustler here, and today we're hitting up garage sales, and I did say I'm here with my girlfriend. And yeah, we're gonna go see what we can find buying and reselling used goods that come from garage sales. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of the big spaceship. And I decided to take out big spaceship today because it does look like a pretty good garage sale day despite the weather being kind of crappy. I'm here with my girlfriend. There she is. And we don't have a name for her yet, although her name begins with Z and she's Russian. She likes to thrift. Yeah, introduce yourself.
I'm Zoya. Nice to meet you guys.
There it is. So she has learned a little bit of this through just being around me. What are some of the things that you like to find?
North Face, Patagonia, Lululemon.
Yeah, so she likes that kind of stuff. What about jackets or boots or stuff like that? Have you resold those things?
Yeah, no, I've sold a lot of leather jackets, exotic boots.
Yeah, so she's learned from some of the things that I like to look for at garage sales and thrift stores. She does a lot of thrifting, actually. And today she's gonna be on the video and we're gonna see what we can find. And we are gonna show you all of it here on this video. If some of this feels a little awkward or whatever, it is her first time, but we need to find her a name. So down below, let's figure out a name that has something to do with thrifting, reselling, maybe has the letter Z in it, and yeah, and she's Russian too, so maybe we could figure something out. Comment down below. Almost every time my followers are gonna figure out something crafty or some little name, so if you can think about something, let's put it down below so we can see her on more videos. We're on our way to our first garage sale. It is about 10 minutes down the highway, and we'll see what we can find there. It's supposed to be 20 families, and yeah, that sounds pretty good for me. There will probably be about 6 or 8 garage sales today, and that's great considering the weather is really not the greatest. It rained all last night. Typically when the best garage sales come around, the weather is kind of consistent and good, you know? But it's been raining, it's kind of cold. So we're just thankful to have some garage sales to go check out. So we'll bring you in the garage sales, and if we're missing anything as I go around, let me know in the video too, because you know, I know a lot of stuff, but I don't know everything. So a lot of people in the comments, when I wear the camera on the chest, they will point out something that I might have missed, and then I go back and I take a look at it, and I tend to go see, like, is that profitable? Is that something I should have picked up? So if you see something, put it down below. Let's get right to it. Okay, the first garage sale is actually in this preschool kind of thing. It could be really good, it could really suck, but it looks like it's gonna be kind of fun. You can see all that stuff right there. I think it's gonna be a good one, but we just never know. So we gotta get up in there. Hey, what's up, dude? Good to see you, brother. How's life? Yeah. Yeah, I'm just making 100% sure there's nothing else. But I don't think there's anything else. I should find a little $20 shirt in the booth at Vet Brothers, a band. Cool, thank you.
Thanks. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, these ones are pretty cool.
Those are super cool. What size are they?
I don't know, I have to put my feet
Look at the bottom first of all. Make sure they're not delaminating. If they are, just, oh, the bottom's kind of, I don't know. If they fit you, that's great. I wouldn't do it for resale, but nice find. They could have been good. All right, I'm walking out with this Vet Brothers shirt, and this will sell for about 20 bucks in the booth. This is a band, kind of folky, but decent band, and someone will like this shirt in the booth. And she walked out getting some stuff for one of her friends that has a kiddo. So let's get to the next garage sale, see what we can find there. Next garage sale, it's a 4-family garage sale. It does seem to look okay. I'm not really happy about that last one. I think they made it look way better than what it really was. There was a lot of baby stuff there. So if you have a baby and a time machine, go back to that garage sale and stock up on your stuff, you know? But yeah, this next one is about 2 miles down the road, and looks like it appears like it could be pretty good. We're gonna find something cool today, there's no doubt about it. It's just a matter of routing and timing. So here's the next garage sale, and I don't know what to make of it. It looks okay. What?
What?
What do you see?
I see a artist bottle tree.
Yeah, that's not for sale though. That's this thing. Didn't you say you saw some Topo Chico?
Yeah, I saw a box of Topo Chico, so if it's $1, I'm definitely getting it. I see a little toy dinosaur. Not much from this view though.
Okay, let's get in there and see what we can find.
Well, that's unusual. The guys looking for jewelry, you know.
Did you have more come?
No, I just never had a guy really care about it.
Oh, that's what I do for a living. Just, no, I mean not just jewelry, but I do a lot of jewelry.
It'd take like $15 for the whole thing.
All right, kind of blindly popping on this 40D camera where another lens appears, so let's check it out. I know, I saw it. It's just a backpack that's stowaway. It's like in there.
Yeah.
I mean, she sells. I have like a million of those, but like she sells it for cheap. I mean, it might be kind of cool. Look this up for a second. I don't know if it's good. Just look it up for a second. Let's get the hell out of here. I'm gonna pay for this camera. 15 you said for the camera?
Yes.
Okay.
It's like the second day.
Cool, perfect. Whoa, got it. Okay, so we popped on that Canon 40D. We have some batteries in here. I'll test it at the house. We have the charger. Anytime that you deal with these kind of cameras, there's almost always going to be a charger that looks like this. So here are the batteries right here. I can bring it home and I can charge that up. This is probably a transfer cable of some sorts. That doesn't really matter. We have the manual. It does help when it comes down to selling it. We have an ultrasonic lens, which is kind of cool. Probably the lens that came with it. It's a little gummy feeling, but it's not bad. I bet you it's going to work just fine. And it does not have swing away screen or anything like that. That probably came on the later models, obviously. But with this case right here, because there's no reason for me to keep the case, we're looking at probably 150 to 200, I would say right now. That's my first guess. Picked it up for 15 bucks at this garage sale. You're not impressed with this camera? Are you impressed with the camera? Yes or no?
Our camera?
No, we're not going to keep it. It is our camera. Yeah, oh, okay. I see what's going on here. So it's like there's no competition going on down here. We've had competitions in the past and they don't go very well for our relationship. So everything that we're doing today is just kind of split down the middle, just so everyone knows there on the other side. Yeah, so did we do good on this camera?
I think it could be good with some more research.
Yeah.
He did forget to mention there's a whole nother lens in here. I'm not sure what the lens is.
I don't think it's a good lens at all. You can pull it out real quick.
It's actually a
really bad dirty joke right there, but anyway. So yeah,
this one's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty much
It's a Albinar.
Yeah, it's
Albinar?
not. I'll tell you right now, this one probably
Macro?
isn't that good. Yeah. So this will be in trash, that one right there.
What?
But this is the good stuff right here. Just trust me, you'll see. Anyway, let's go to the next garage sale. All right, next garage sale should be really close to here. Once this guy stops pulling out from in front of me. Should be around here somewhere. Let's see what they're selling. Never know, it could be amazing. I see some cool artwork. I see some interesting things. Let's go check it out.
So I see this really cool wicker chair, and currently I'm trying to renovate my upstairs for my spa area. I'm a licensed esthetician, in case you guys didn't know, but I think that would make a great staple piece for guests to be able to sit down when I'm consulting them.
All right, let's get in there. Some cool little Ray-Bans. What's up? Oh, that's a Hero 4. Oh, it's got the dog thingy. That's funny. You can see they have delamination.
Put the Ray-Bans in there.
Looks like.
I want those.
You like them?
Did they say how much?
I don't know. I haven't even asked yet. No.
Do they look good? No.
No. All right, what'd you get?
Justin Brown boots. They're kind of weathered, so I think that they might do well.
All right, we're truly doing the early bird. Check this out, official Bonafide Hustler merch. Third link down below. Go check it out. We are 6 minutes early to this garage sale. We already see Antlers. We already see cowboy boots. This could be really good. Where's your early bird shirt, huh? Where is it?
I actually designed a coffee and thrifting for all of my females out there. It's also going to be on official merch as well. There's a couple other designs, so go check them out.
How do they find it?
Third link below.
See that shirt one more time. That's pretty cool. Official Bonafide Hustler merch that she designed. Look at that. Coffee and thrifting. Oh my gosh. Well done. Cool. It's a bunch of bones. Wow. Oh, those are some cool shoes. Some cool. Yeah. Are any of these 12s? Are these all 10.5s?
You know, some of them could be. I'm not quite sure.
Babe, these are...
Let's see what these are. Interesting.
But there's a really good vertebrae in there. Jawbones, all kinds of good stuff.
Maybe like 20?
Oh no, it's going to be more than that.
Oh, okay.
Because each one of these heads, if you worked them out, you could make $200 off of them. Like these are projects that turn into something really good. But
I don't know what they go for. So.
No worries, no worries.
They're cool.
I would do 100 for the whole thing.
100. Okay. Yeah, they're nice. Now we have a sun shirt. That's kind of cool.
These elbows and wrists.
Oh my gosh. Those are really cool looking too. Those are neat.
I don't have any rollerblades. I do, but I wasn't going to sell those yet.
Oh, wait, what happened?
Was
it like dried?
The leather got wet and it just shrunk.
Oh,
I wonder
no.
what size this is. That's pretty too. This one's cool. Let's see the price. The Vans are cool. All right, they're suede. They're kind of high tops. They're not my size. I wish they were. They're pretty neat. $5 a piece. Got these multicolored Vans shoes. These are definitely current day. We can see by the soles. But this will sell for about 30 to about 45 bucks in the booth, just based upon their color right there. So that's a good pickup. And then girlfriend picked up this $5 shirt.
Like retro shirt. The detailing is pretty cool.
It's kind of Western / Aztec / just a bunch of random stuff. It's a good shirt. $5. This is going to be in the booth for right around 40, 50 pretty easily. So yeah, we found that in one of the bins at that garage sale over there. Okay, the next garage sale looks like it's over here. I got my girlfriend researching these Vans a little bit. Looks like brand new. These things are like 130 to 140 bucks, but that doesn't really matter because on the used markets, we're trying to figure out what to really price them at. This garage sale has a lot of baby looking stuff in it. I'm not 100% sure I'm all about this one, but you never know. And let's go check it out. Tons of baby stuff.
Are you so
Next garage sale is down here. We have traveled like 15 minutes and we are in the central part of Austin now. Surprisingly, every one of these houses is probably over $1 million. Does that look like $1 million to you? Yeah, Austin's got crazy high prices now, but we have a garage sale right here. It says in the back, so let's go check it out. A lot of furniture.
Everything around in the back.
Are the trees for sale?
The what?
Hey. Okay. Fishing loach. What? Yeah, that's our current. That's a little bit more current than what we want to be putting in the booth. Okay, we didn't find anything at that garage sale, but there are a couple more in this kind of general area. Plus, we're close to the farmer's market, which is really good because I can get some of those really amazing eggs. But yeah, we're in kind of like the heart of Austin, Texas. Nice established neighborhood with nice trees. You know, you notice things like this when you become a homeowner. They're just really pretty. Next garage sale's in here and it looks like it's just a bunch of furniture and it's like an entire house moving out. So let's go check this one out. Ping pong table. No. Where are you at? That's cool.
Check these side tables, maybe for the middle room.
Yeah, they're cool. How much are they?
It doesn't say.
Let's ask them now. I like them.
We'll buy them.
Yeah, we'll take them.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, it looks like we bought these 2 end tables for our house. But if they don't fit really good in our house, we'll just get them sold. But these are really cool. I love them. Okay, so our garage sales have kind of come to an end, but Zoya and I are right here at Intelligentista Coffee. It's supposed to be very good. So, indeed, coffee and I guess thrifting in a way. It's supposed to be one of the best places in Austin for coffee.
Let me say hi.
So we got done with that place and it indeed is it good?
Yeah.
You gotta
It's
show
a
that.
lavender cold brew with oat milk.
Okay, so we got the coffee. Is it any good?
Mm-hmm.
What is it, by the way?
It's a lavender cold brew with oat milk.
Lavender cold brew with oat milk. Can I try it? A lot of flavors going on in that thing, that's for sure. So, she's all proud of it. Look at that.
But we are gonna stop at one thrift store on the way home, and yeah.
Goodwill?
Yeah.
Goodwill. All right, we'll see you at Goodwill. That's where we're gonna be next. Maybe we'll find something here. Let's check it out. Let's figure out how much it is. Go this and see if we can find a price for it. Oh, there's some Jordans. Dude, these are rad. Dude, what? People would like flip out if they saw you with those. Do they fit? Dude, those are like incredible.
I hate them.
Really?
I hate them.
You're insane. Dude, people like would, if this was my size, I could never sell these. Let's take a look how much they are. Well, the bike turned out to be 150 bucks, which is nuts. The Jordans, the Jordan 7s, they weren't 5s, but Jordan 7s, I passed on them because in the youth size, those would resell for about, I don't know, 70 to 90 bucks when they were already like almost 30 at that Goodwill, so pass on that. But hey, we gave it our best shot here on the vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below, and we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.